have arrived at Ambiance Prestige Club. Sticker of cleanliness. Grab the thing. Oh my gosh. Wow. I wasn't expecting all of this, to be completely honest. Whoa. Okay, so here is the jacuzzi area. Ooh. So nice. Oh, so nice. Here's a little window as well. Here's the door entrance. Heater. Oh. Seating area. Wait, when you turn on those lights, what turns on? I guess all of them are on. Okay.
That cuts on the canvas.
Okay.
So
oh, look at this. Look at the you just turned on that. Oh, snap.
Sweet.
All right. All right. Here's a little seating area that you may not be able to even see because it's so dim in here. Ooh, but you got a TV. Ooh. You got the Tantra chair. Ooh. Nice bed. The rose petals. The rose petals, as well as this, some strawberries and a few, what is this, wine, champagne flutes, whatever, were part of a package that you can get. And then right here is the mini fridge that they got. And along with the package is also a bottle of sparkling wine. So here's that. I'm gonna go from this. Ooh, this is real nice. On one nightstand, you have a clock, remote, and from this perspective, you got a second TV. Tantra chair, that's what we got right there. Oh, we also requested for the microwave. This is, what the? This looks like a okay, right, I don't know what that is, but that is supposed to be a microwave. And then this nightstand is pretty bare. Looks like it has just a regular phone right there. I don't know what this is. Cleanliness 411. They did it. I don't know what these are. Maybe little mints. And then here is the restroom with a lot of towels. All right. I don't know why the coffee maker is in the bathroom, but okay. That's how they like it to be done. And, ooh, this is a bigger than typical shower. Look at this. 3 shower heads. Oh, this is nice. 3 shower heads. And the sink, the mirrors. There's all of that. Basic, other than the shower, which I could say is pretty nice and big, but there you have it though. This is the gist of the room, ladies and gentlemen. The room type that this is Allure at Ambiance in Franklin Park. Pretty nice. This is the first ever prestige club hotel that we are visiting. And yeah, there you have it. Allure Prestige Club.